back to our story, and also inside the wall. And it's starting to destroy my wall. Actually, it's destroyed actually the back side of the wall and the other side. And it's starting to get on the floor, and I don't want it to damage any more of the house. But right now, I just don't have the money to call a plumber to come and change it out. Actually, I did have a plumber come and look at it and give me an estimate, and it was. Now, if you look closely in the inside, you see the little insert, the little plastic insert, and the Sharkbite teeth that are on the side. Those teeth are what grabs the pipe and holds it in place. And there's a rubber washer that the pipe squeezes through, and that seals it. And that is the process of